Analysis of the impact of light controller Lux value setting on lighting. In our daily life, as an important part of the intelligent lighting system, the light controller can automatically control the turning on and off of the light according to the surrounding lighting conditions, thus creating an energy-saving and comfortable lighting environment for us. However, the Lux value setting of the light controller is very particular, and it will not work if it is too high or too low. Let's take a look at what adverse effects it may have. First of all, setting the Lux value too high will cause the lights to continue to be turned on, which not only increases the waste of energy, but also puts the pressure of light pollution on the environment. At the same time, the increased frequency of use of lamps will shorten the life of the lamps and increase maintenance costs. On the other hand, setting the Lux value too low will cause the lights to turn on and off frequently, affecting user comfort and work efficiency. At the same time, frequent switching will also increase energy consumption and accelerate the aging of the internal parts of the lamp, thereby increasing maintenance costs. Therefore, we need to reasonably adjust the Lux value of the light controller according to the specific environment and needs to balance comfort and energy efficiency. This not only ensures the best lighting effect and energy-saving effect, but also extends the life of the lamp and improves user comfort and safety. The above is the analysis of the impact of the light controller Lux value setting on the lighting. I hope it can inspire everyone. LongJoin. Look forward to communicating and cooperating with you.